the user support. So the things that we done on 2.4 or on 2.4 period is first of all added an application built-in help library. Till now you was needed to go when you wanted to, for user guide or a video, you need to go to the support site or to approach the support team. What we done on 2.4 is first of all created a new help library. You will have only one centralized place to look for help. You just need to click F1 on the tool itself inside and the help is built inside. So I will show you how to use it. I'm just clicking, if I'm here and I'm clicking F1, I will get this pop-up of my help library content. So here you can see the tree with all of the content arranged by areas and also numbered by the number that if you're new to this area, this is what we recommend you to follow for getting it step by step. So you can click on a specific document and just go over it. It includes screenshots and details about the specific topic. You have navigation bar here that you can go back and forth from the scope to the actual content. And on top of those documents, you also have videos. So we know that videos usually are more convenient. So we add in short videos up to 5-minute videos of a specific subject. So if it's relevant to you and you need to know how to do it, you just click on the video, you can see what its content even before you open it, so you cannot waste time, see if it's what you expect to or you want to, it's included. And then you have two sources to view the video. We put it on DocsTube, which is internal for Amdocs, and if you are on the customer site or so, you can click the link and then it will be loaded inside the tool. So you don't need to go to anywhere inside the application. I have here the video and I can see it here and follow it. So I can put it on my next screen and follow it and stop it when I want and do the same, then play and do it either with video or with a document. If for some reason you prefer to have it on a real browser, so you can click here on this button and the same content, videos and everything will be open on your external browser. More than that, the library will try to automatically find the topic that you are currently working on. So let's say I'm working on my business flow and I'm not sure what to do here. I don't know what is created by or what is this variables thing. So I click F1 now and automatically the library will look for things related to a business flow. So it will filter the documents, it will filter the videos. So immediately you will be able to get help regarding the topic that you are now in context of, and you don't need to, similarly, like if I'm opening and I'm working, let's say I just added an Excel action, or any other action. I don't know what to do with all of those inputs, so I click F1 and I will get the Excel action information about what to do, what each field it is, and how to populate it. So we expect all of you to start using it. Don't ask for other sources. If it's something missing here on the app library, same, open a feature request, ask for more documents, ask for more videos, report if something is not updated and up to date. And this will be the one place that will keep updating. It will keep update from beta for beta and of course from release to release. So this regarding the app library. So next item in related to the support, we have a new question and answer forum in which you can open questions or view already answered questions to get to know feedback or information regarding what you are stuck with. This is to replace totally the emails or pinging and all of those that was done with the support team. You need to do it there. Support team is tracking it, core team is tracking there in it, and there you will be able to get your answer. We have a new support site, which is much more intuitive. New support site, which mainly on top of the new intuitive and simple design, we have a much more advanced ticket squaring, and we have an enhanced deployment process in which we added another layer of releases, which is the alpha. So betas that we was used to get now will be released once a week after much more testing to make sure the versions that you are using are much more stable and you will feel much more convenient to use them. So Amber, please go ahead and share.
Today, if you are working on Ginger, so you come across queries, you have questions, you have doubts, okay, or you have a new scenario, so you have to turn to someone else for help. So what are the ways we do today for help? Okay, so first item is Ginger help or support documents. Okay, like that one you can press F1 or you can go to the support documents which are already on the support site previously. But most of the case, which is the most frequent thing, you go to Ginger support or core team because the scenario every scenario is not added in the support document and it's being added, but there are some scenarios which are unique to you. Okay, but other people can find all them helpful. So contacting Ginger support or core team is the most common one. What are the downsides of it? Queries are, we have observed that they are of similar nature. So everyone, many projects, people from many different projects have the similar query. The support team have to revert on the same answer again and again. One more thing which we have observed is like if you ask me something, I have replied you with the answer. After a few months, it will be that email conversation will be in your history, and it will be tougher for you to track it back, and time is lost in that. So to make it more seamless, we have introduced Ginger Q&A forum. You can access Ginger Q&A forum from the Ginger application. You can go to the support tab, click on the Q&A forum, and this page will load to you. Also, you can just type Ginger in your browser, choose support, and go to Ginger Q&A. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm typing Ginger in my browser. Support site was Ginger support site is there. You click on support, and the first link on this below the support Ginger Q&A forum. Some network issue at my it's loaded. Some network issue at my end. You land on this page. I'll again do the same. Go to support and click on Ginger Q&A forum. You will be landed to Ginger Q&A forum. Okay. Now, I have reached Ginger Q&A forum. I have a query. What should I do? So the Q&A forum is the section in the library of all the queries which are coming, and they're getting documented already. So if someone have already asked this question, there's a high chance that this question your query is already solved. So let's say I have a question that my Java driver agent is not connected. So I'll just start typing the keyword Java agent. Okay, so you will see the search suggestion over here. If search suggestion is not coming, you can click on or you can hit enter. But I'll see search agent not work on or not able to connect to CRM Java agent or something like fail to connect Java agent. So I'll just pick any one of them. What I'll see. Okay, so the user has posted over here the question fail to connect to agent, and the question is there, description is there, and we have an answer from the support team. Okay. You can see there's an answer. You can try the same step, okay? You can see that the support team is writing these answers, and they are providing the very detailed steps along with the screenshot. This is one case. You can see the answer is, you can see over here, it's completely detailed enough to solve this problem. This is one case. Second case is, this is one scenario that your question was already present over there. Second scenario is, my question is not already answered or it's not present over there. So how can I ask? You don't just on the same page on the right hand side, the right top, you see ask a new question. The moment you ask and click on it, you might see this message. You don't have permission to submit a question because you are not logged in. To log in, just use your internet credentials. On the left hand side of the screen, you can see section to login. So I'll just enter my internet credentials and log in. After you click on login, the page will refresh, and now you see these areas are enabled. Okay, I come back again, and let's say I have a new question like I have a new question, something like how to update multiple Excel rows. So I'll just type Excel. Even if you are typing again for a new question, you'll see again that questions which are already present with the similar keywords you are typing. So this can also help you. Okay, if this is a second, you will get a second look on the list of the questions which are already present. To update multiple rows. Okay, I'll just click over here. Now, if I want to add some more description, is like I want to update multiple rows with filtering criteria. How I can keep this. Now, this is one case. If I want to add some photo, screenshot, something, you can click over here, add media on the upload files. Choose the desired file, and you can upload it. Okay, so I'll just put something or file over here, and it will get uploaded, and you can click on insert it. I'm just using any image right now and insert into page. So if there's a screenshot, it will be okay. So you will get you can put an image also over there. Now below the two portions, category. So this is related to a category. So which category your question belongs to. So right now, support team focus are solving the question based on the expertise on the area. So please choose this the desired category for us. It will be like Ginger General. So I'll choose this. I'll add tag over here. Tags will help and enhance the search engine over the search mechanism over the time. Excel multiple rows and whatever comes into your mind, which is field relevant, and you click on submit. The moment you submit, click on submit. You see the page, if the page is loaded and the question is updated. Okay. Now this is first case. This is your part is done. Okay, you have asked the question. How my question was answered or not? Well, no. You don't have to be notified. I mean, you don't have to be there following, okay, what is there. The moment someone answers your question, okay, I'll say, please follow the below steps. Follow the below steps to resolve your query, okay. The moment I have done this, okay, this is the, for me, it's like I'm the same person doing it, but it's just for the ease. So support team go and find out the questions which are unanswered and they answer them, okay. So whenever you do it, you'll receive a mail, okay, you'll receive a mail. I'll show you the mail. You'll receive a mail coming from over here, which will show you like your answer is, you have an answer for your following question. You'll receive a mail something like this, okay, which is on the last, okay. You have a new answer for your question. So now whoever has answered your question, okay, you will receive the mail for a relative answer, okay. This is part done, okay. So whenever someone is answering your question, what is the moment you see, you go and see, okay, that your question is answered, what is, if you feel that the steps provided are helpful for you, go and upvote the answer, okay. Also, the person who is, if they are answering from the support team, they will mark this question as answered. If you feel that this question is not answered, you will be able to option go and click on edit and reopen it. Okay, you see this question is open. So and they'll go and mark this as a resolved. If you feel like your question is not resolved, only you or someone from your question from the support team, they can go and change the status. Okay. So if you feel your question is resolved and it's still not in resolved position, go and mark it as resolved. But support team is also monitoring and they will be doing it. Okay. So this is first case. Let's go to the enhancement for the support site. Again, I'll go back to the browser and type Ginger over here. So we have a new support site with more intuitive look and feel. We have more enhancement on ticketing part, which I'll be showing you right now. If you go on tickets, you can see there's a check ticket status, my ticket. We are working on my project ticket, so you can filter ticket by project and also create new tickets. So if you click on my ticket, okay, you will be landed on this page. So it will show you, my ticket page will show you all the tickets which you have to open irrespective of the state. Okay, so when you see a ticket which is fixed, it's on you to mark it as closed. So you go to click on the ticket number.
So in case you got from core team an email saying that the ticket was fixed and on which version you can go and test it. So after you download, you test, you confirm. So what remaining is to close the ticket. This is on you. So you can easily come now to the tickets area, my tickets. You can see the tickets, go into it and just mark it as closed and submit.
You click on this from fixed, you can change it to close or new. If you feel it's not fixed, you can put it to new, or if it is fixed, just mark it as close. You feel it is okay, it's good for you. Click on close and click on edit, and your ticket will be updated, okay, with the status. Okay, second thing is, I'll show you one more thing. Ticket is like check ticket status. You can go, you can type the ticket number, like which was used 3500 just as a sample. Move to the new installer. So over the time, we are putting efforts on increasing the Ginger stability. And so from here, for this, we have a major change in how the way our betas are published. So previously, we used to have just two versions, beta, which was published daily, and one major release. Okay. And from this release, we have changed that thing. So previously, used to have directly beta, like I shown in the bottom of the page, beta to beta, beta, beta. But now, we are having one more level, alpha. So alpha will be published at least once a day. Beta and beta will be published once a week. Okay. We highly recommend you to use beta and not alpha, because beta is coming with more level of testing, including manual testing. So we are ensuring that the beta goes on is with the least number of bugs it can. So every Monday or Tuesday, you'll see a new beta published. So right now, if you go and see the support site, if you go on downloads and you see Ginger installers, if you go over there, you'll see the latest beta was this after, and we have 2.5.4.7. Okay. So how it will work? 2.5.4.7. And the latest beta is 2.5.3. So basically, this 2.5.4.7 is a preparation for the next beta, like over here. So first we'll publish the alpha, and over the period of time, once the alpha development is finished, we'll release the beta. Okay. So if you see alpha like 2.5.5.1, that means its beta is pending for release, and that will be coming later this week, in the later next week. Okay.